Looking for the perfect sewing machine? Here are the top 5 best sewing machines that combine performance, durability, and value for every skill level. Let's get started. Item number 5. Meet the DS2958 Household Sewing Machine, a reliable choice for everyday stitching. This flatbed chain stitch machine features a walking foot feed mechanism and supports stitch lengths from 6 to 10 millimeters. With a max speed of 350 RPM and power of just 7.2 watts, it's efficient and energy-saving. Weighing 325 grams and sized at 31 by 30 or 15 centimeters, it's compact yet capable. Designed for light to medium fabrics with a max sewing thickness of 2.5 millimeters, it's perfect for home crafting and repairs. Simple, durable, and beginner-friendly. Item number 4. Introducing the Mini Sewing Machine, the perfect choice for beginners and home repairs. This compact machine features 12 built-in stitches, including lock stitch, to handle various fabric types. With a presser foot pedal for easy control, it offers adjustable speed for precise sewing. Its lightweight and portable design make it ideal for small projects and on-the-go crafting. Originating from mainland China, this easy-to-use machine is a must-have for DIY enthusiasts looking to sew with ease and convenience. Item number 3. Introducing the Brother XR3774 Household Sewing Machine, a versatile and beginner-friendly tool for sewing and quilting. With 37 built-in stitches, including decorative, quilting, and a one-step buttonhole, it handles a variety of projects with ease. Features like an automatic needle threader, jam-resistant drop-in bobbin, and free arm enhance convenience. It includes accessories such as a wide table, 8 sewing feet, and an instructional DVD. Compact at 15.3-inch wide, this US-made machine delivers quality, functionality, and creative freedom. Item number 2. Introducing the Brother CP100X, a feature-rich household sewing and quilting machine designed for durability and precision. It offers 100 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and heirloom styles, plus 8 auto-size buttonholes. With an improved automatic needle threader, quick-set bobbin, fixed needle bar, and adjustable speed control, sewing becomes easier and cleaner. The metal frame ensures stability for thick fabrics like denim or quilts. Accessories include a wide table, 10 sewing feet, quilt guide, and a protective hard case, perfect for both beginners and advanced crafters. Item number 1. The Brother GX37 is a lightweight, portable sewing machine, perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. It features 37 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and a one-step auto-size buttonhole. With a brightly lit LED work area, adjustable stitch width and length, and a free arm for cuffs and sleeves, it's designed for versatile sewing. The GX37 includes 6 accessory feet and sews straight, zigzag, and satin stitches, making it ideal for everyday projects and creative sewing tasks. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.